Okay guys, we got a busted bolt on our toilet seat. I got this kit. I'll go ahead and put this in the description where I got it. So guys, I had the metal ones on there in the beginning. I took one of these off because the plastic set actually broke on our front toilet. We had some guests come over. These actually are the better ones. I'll put a link where you get the metal bolt. So what you're gonna do is come back to the back of your toilet. Sometimes this isn't a whole thing, it's just two little pieces, and you'll flick it up with the screwdriver. But it's back here, you flick it up, and you'll see the spots. You'll be able to line up the holes when you put your new bolts in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the old one off, putting this in here. Just hold it underneath in place. You'll see what it looks like when I take it off. So this is the part that I'm holding in place. This is probably actually a better one, but I just want them to match. This is here. Sometimes it needs these, sometimes it don't. I don't even think this one needs them. These don't call for them. So depending on your toilet, it might call for them, or it might not. You can either hold the top in place with your screwdriver and then turn the underneath to the right, spin it, or you can hold underneath and you'll feel it starting to tighten up. Before I get it all the way tight. So this is how it's going to be going up. So when it's starting to get tight, you just give it a couple more. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.